Are you looking for a tow bar that can be made completely invisible after use? Then the Brink vertical detachable tow bar is the solution. To have enough vision on the operation of the vertically detachable tow bar, you have to lower your knees a moment. Because to ensure the invisibility, the housing in which you lock the tow ball is hidden behind the bumper of your car. As soon as you locate the housing, the locking of the tow bar goes easy and fast. You have to insert the tow ball into the housing from the bottom with a vertical movement. By pushing the tow ball slightly downwards, the tow bar automatically locks itself. Thanks to ergo click, you will hear an audible click when locking the tow ball. Besides an audible confirmation, the vertically detachable tow bar also offers you a visible confirmation. The rotary knob has a built-in color indicator consisting of color codes. When green, the system is ready for use. Red means a new attempt is required. After locking the tow ball, you can pull down the socket from behind the bumper of your car with a simple hand movement. The vertically detachable tow bar is theft-proof. The tow ball has a permanent security lock with key. You are ready to hook up your bike carrier, trailer, caravan, horse box or boat trailer and hit the road 100% safe. When you are finished using your detachable tow bar, it's easy to remove. After you unlock the anti-theft lock, two simple actions are required to unlock the tow ball as well. On the rotary knob, two arrows make both actions visible. The tow ball is unlocked by pushing the rotary knob in the direction of the ball and turning it with the thumb in a smooth upwards motion. After unlocking the vertically detachable tow bar, you can remove the tow ball. All our detachable tow bars come with a storage bag, so the tow ball can be stored in your boot without getting the interior dirty. Finally, you can push the socket back behind the bumper with a simple movement. A great advantage is also that the vertically detachable tow bar is maintenance-free. The tow bar is provided with a cover which can be slid into the housing after detaching the tow ball. This way it will completely cover the housing, keeping it clean and free from grit. If you walk around your car now, the housing and cover are completely invisible.